Welcome to the future of commuting. Tired of traffic, rising gas prices, and unreliable public transit? 2025 is the year we rethink the way we move, and electric bikes are leading the charge. Sleek, powerful, and eco-friendly, these modern rides are transforming everyday commutes into smooth, efficient, and even fun experiences. In this video, we're unveiling the top 7 electric bikes of 2025, from budget-friendly commuters to tech-packed beasts built for speed. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising over country trails, we've got the perfect e-bike for your lifestyle. Let's ride into the future, starting now. Number 1. Electric mountain bike. Tired of bikes that struggle on hills and die halfway through your commute? Say hello to the all-around champion, the Funhang electric mountain bike. Whether it's bumpy trails, steep inclines, or long commutes, most bikes just can't keep up. You either sacrifice speed, power, or comfort. And charging? Forget it, it's a nightmare. But this beast? It's powered by a 500W motor that peaks at 1000 W, crushes hills, and hits up to 21.7 miles per hour with ease. With a removable waterproof battery, you're getting up to 50 miles in pedal assist mode, and it recharges in just 4 to 5 hours. You get 5 riding modes, a smooth 21-speed gear system, integrated lights, a comfy saddle, a crystal clear LCD, and even cruise mode for chill rides. Rain or shine, hills or trails, it's built for it all. Number 2. Electric bicycles max folding a bike. Looking for an electric bike that won't break the bank, but still packs serious power? Meet the Max Folding a Bike, the budget-friendly ride that delivers way more than you'd expect. Most cheap e-bikes skimp on power, range, or comfort, and don't even think about folding or portability. You're stuck with compromise after compromise, but the Max F1 flips the script. With a powerful 750W peak motor and a top speed of 22 miles per hour, it handles commutes, climbs, and city rides like a champ. Its 48V removable battery gives you up to 28 miles per charge, all while staying lightweight and portable. You get 3 riding modes, dual disc brakes with electronic braking, turn signals, headlights, taillights, and 14-inch tires with dual suspension, all for a price that's seriously wallet-friendly. And when you're done, fold it down to just 27 inches and take it anywhere. Sure, it's not built for mountain trails, and the tires are smaller, but for city riders and everyday commuters, it's a solid value. Number 3. Jasian EB5 electric bike. Crave speed, sleek style, and effortless power? The Jasian EB5 is your ticket to fast, fun, and efficient rides. It's the speed demon of the electric bike world. Most e-bikes either look bulky or top out at sluggish speeds. And don't even get started on awkward displays or weak motors. The EB5 fixes all that. With a 500W peak motor, you're flying at speeds up to 20 miles per hour and looking good while doing it. Its lightweight frame, aerodynamic design, and upgraded LCD display make every ride smooth, smart, and stylish. You get a removable 360WH battery with up to 40 miles per charge, 26-inch puncture-resistant tires, front suspension, and 7-speed gearing. The ride's comfortable, the display's customizable, and the disc brakes keep you in control. It may not have the biggest battery or longest range, but for urban commuters who live life in the fast lane, the EB5 delivers high performance without the high price. Number 4. Electric mountain bike. Looking to go green and go fast? Meet the Lectric electric mountain bike, the eco-conscious ride built for serious performance and everyday sustainability. Most e-bikes ignore the environment, using wasteful materials, weak batteries, or just plain poor design. You want something powerful, but without the planet guilt. Lectric changes the game. With a 52V removable battery and a powerful 750W brushless motor, you're hitting speeds up to 32 miles per hour while cutting down your carbon footprint. Plus, it comes packed with accessories: helmet, lock, mirror, phone holder, the full eco-friendly commute kit. Built with comfort and control in mind, it includes full suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and fat 26-inch tires for all-terrain reliability. The LCD display and 3 riding modes make it easy to ride your way fully electric or pedal-assisted. It's a bit heavier and takes 6 to 8 hours to fully charge, but that's the trade-off for range, power, and a bike built to last. Number 5, folding electric bicycle. Want an e-bike that packs a punch and feels like a tech upgrade on 2 wheels? Check out the DYU Folding Electric Bike, a sleek, smart ride made for the modern commuter. Most budget e-bikes skip the extras, no safety tech, no connectivity, no fun. You end up trading smart features for a lower price. But the DYU C3 changes that. With an LCD display, dual disc brakes, LED headlights, and a folding design for storage, it's feature-packed without feeling overwhelming. It even has 3 riding modes for total control over your ride. You get up to 25 miles of range, a 350W motor, and lightweight 14-inch tires for nimble city rides. Whether you're cruising to work or taking a park detour, it's smooth, stylish, and ready for anything. Sure, it's not the fastest or the longest range e-bike out there. And at this price point, you're investing in convenience and features over raw power. Number 6, TST electric bike for adults. Still wondering which electric bike is right for you? Let's break it down. If you're after budget and portability, the Max Folding a Bike gives you solid performance without emptying your wallet. Looking for pure speed? The Jasian EB5 delivers fast, smooth rides in a lightweight frame. Eco-conscious and love the outdoors? The Claytro electric mountain bike offers power, sustainability, and full suspension comfort. Need tech and convenience? The DYU Folding Electric Bike brings compact design and smart features to your commute. And for the best all-rounder, the TST electric bike is a beast. 1500 W peak power, long range, fat tires, and full suspension. It's built for city streets and mountain adventures. So ask yourself, is speed your priority? Portability? Comfort? Or do you just want max value for your money? Your perfect e-bike depends on your lifestyle. Which bike fits your ride style best? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you've already been commuting on an e-bike, share your experience. Let's help each other ride smarter. Number 7, fifth wheel-mate electric bike. Need a bike that can do it all? City streets, hilly trails, and weekend rides? Meet the fifth wheel-mate, your all-terrain electric partner. This beast packs a 500W brushless motor with 1000W peak and a 7-speed gear system, letting you hit speeds of 23 miles per hour and power through climbs like a champ. Weighing just 50 pounds but built tough, it absorbs shocks with its adjustable front suspension and keeps you safe at night with a bright headlight and reflective detailing. With a 468WH removable battery, you get up to 45 miles in PAS mode or 25 miles throttle only, charge it at home or the office, no problem. And with a slick color LCD display and 3 riding modes, the Mate adapts to your style, commute, cruise, or climb. If you're looking for a versatile, feature-packed ride that won't hold you back, the fifth wheel Mate might just be your perfect match. And there you have it, 7 electric bikes, each with its own strength, style, and ride experience. Whether you're after speed, sustainability, cutting-edge features, or a budget-friendly commuter, there's something here for everyone. So, which one fits your lifestyle best? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're riding or planning to get. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest reviews and e-bike tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.